Compare and contrast the reproduction in plants and in animals. Process of reproduction in plants. Plants reproduction is the reproduction of new offspring in plants, which can be accomplished by sexual or asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction produces offspring by the fusion of gametes, resulting in offspring genetically different from the parent or parents. The process of producing offspring is called reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Vegetative part directly produce offspring. Fusion between gametes is not required. Asexual reproduction. Cutting, layering, grafting, budding. Reproduction of plants takes place asexually like by budding, vegetative methods, spores, wind, or through insects. Process of reproduction in animals. Asexual reproduction in animals occurs through fission, budding, fragmentation, and parthenogenesis. Sexual reproduction may involve fertilization inside the body or the external environment. A species may have separate sexes or combined sexes. When the sexes are combined, they may be expressed at different times in the life cycle. The sex of an individual may be determined by various chromosomal systems or environmental factors such as temperature. Sexual reproduction starts with the combination of a sperm and an egg in a process called fertilization. This can occur either outside the bodies or inside the female. The method of fertilization varies among animals. Reproduction. Plants. Reproduction of plants takes place asexually like by budding, vegetative methods, spores, wind, or through insects. Animals. Some lower animals like algae reproduce asexually while higher animals reproduce sexually. Reproduction in both plants and animals. Sexual reproduction. This type of reproduction is seen in both plants and most animals. This involves two individuals of opposite sex having specialized sex organs that produce gametes. These gametes fuse in a favorable environment to give rise to a new organism or offspring.